Now we'll move on to our Q&A session. So I'm taking the chance to invite Liviu and Andreea on stage with us. So Liviu, Andreea, please join us. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank to all the attendants, to all our clients and partners. I'm extremely impressed that almost 200 friends join us, and for me, it's a fantastic honor, and thank you very much.
So thank you very much for joining the stage with us. We have received during Dan's demo a lot of questions from our audience, so I'll take the chance just to pick some of these questions out and to try to answer them. So we have the question from Sasha from Poland. How can a company become a Druid partner? So Andreea, tell us a bit more.
So in order to access our partner network, you can either start a live chat conversation now with one of our channel managers that will be answering live during the event in the chatbot, or you can go to druidai.com/partners and you will fill in the contact form, and some of our channel managers will be contacting you to give you all the details.
We also have a question for you, Dan, from Alex in UK. And the question goes like this: when voice will be available in the platform? Speech to text, text to speech, telephony, and I see that you already consider this.
Yes, we already consider this. Actually, we have a few projects running in our laboratories, and we are happy with the results. The plan is to have the voice functionality public available in Druid end of this year. But until then, if you have such a project or such a requirement, please get in contact with us. We'll be happy to put together the voice channel linked to Druid as well. And we are quite excited about the voice channel. We see a good momentum. There are demands on the market. We see a good quality in technology, and we already have integrations with contact center technologies. We work with our partner Vonage to integrate with the Vonage contact center. We work with our partner Microsoft to link with the telephony channel. So functionality is there. Get in contact with us.
Perfect. Thank you, Dan. So we have Jacek that sent us a question. Is it planned to share access to technical trainings with new features? So Andreea, what do you think?
Yes, of course. We have already recorded videos with the new functionalities. They will be made available soon in the partner portal if you are already a partner. Otherwise, for the customers and people that are trying the new functionalities in community, it will be available in the help section of Druid portal, where you will have all the features already documented, and also live videos will come soon. And in order to fully support you, in the next release, we will also have a chatbot on the portal that will guide you to explore the new features and will offer you a lot of insights on how to create your own chatbots.
So I would like also to point out, because I like time, soon means in the first 10 days of July. That's
exactly,
I wanted to...
Exactly. The next release.
Okay, great. Thanks, Andreea. Actually, we have another question for you then, from Eden from Lebanon. What happens when the chatbot doesn't understand what the user is saying?
I beg your pardon.
I'll let Dan answer this.
Yeah, definitely you should say like this. And it's quite an often event, because people, when they saw the chatbot, they go and ask absolutely anything. So doesn't matter what you plan to teach the chatbot, what you plan to have the chatbot responding to. Definitely the users will ask outside the scope you considered at the beginning. So in Druid, you have the fallback event, which you can configure, and you can have the chatbot looking on external content sources like knowledge base. So the chatbot can grab a potential answer from there, can guide the user to the chatbot scope. So I'm sorry, I cannot answer to this, but take a look on the options with the things I can do for you. And my preferred option is to integrate with UiPath Automation Hub as well. So to capture the idea for new automations and handle them in Automation Hub. So definitely you have the option to guide the user not only for known things, but also for unknown questions.
And just to add here, all the unknown phrases that the chatbot was not able to handle will be are available in the dashboard section of the portal,
Yeah,
so that
that's right.
the trainers will see all these and will provide answers by uploading an Excel file, for instance, as Dan showed earlier, or just creating new conversations in the portal.
Yes, based on
with all the authors helping the chatbot to get better and train.
And in the conversation history, you also have the possibility to start the self-learning process, which will be available with the next release in the fall.
This is based on auto-learning process.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect. So Andrea Vigo from Denmark is asking, how is the process of onboarding for partners?
We like to say it's simple. So the process starts by entering in a demo session with our channel managers. They will be giving you all the details necessary, all the paperwork that you need to fill in. Is not a lot of paperwork. And then you will be engaged in an onboarding program that consists in opening a space in a sandbox environment in our portal. In our partner portal, you will get a community trial license on our community version, and also you will be entering a training program.
Okay, so I think we have a question coming right now. How do you achieve 90% faster time to production? It's from Sumit.
Our friend Sumit. Okay, so you know that we have now introduced with this release the library, the solution library that offers pre-built solutions also with RPA processes, with UiPath processes already pre-built, so that you have a base from which you can start. And you can add or adjust the conversation. This will make the process to go live even faster. We also have self-service materials in the help section of the portal to make you more confident in configuring the chatbot, conversation flows, and the integrations. Plus, we have introduced with this release the graphical designers, which are very intuitive and just drag and drop functionality based.
Yeah, that's great.
Thank you, Sumit, for your question.
So actually, Liviu, this question goes for you. It's from Christian in Germany. What is the investment evaluation expected this year? How about next year?
Yes, definitely we expect a major and important financial investment this year. If I take into consideration that in the end of last year, the evaluation of Druid was 20 million euro, and now the monthly recurring revenue this month in June is 10 times more than in June 2020. So we are expecting a considerable higher value for our nice company, which maybe will be in the end of the year.
That's great.
Perfect. So we have Steven from Romania asking, what do partners get when they become part of the Druid ecosystem?
So besides the financial benefits, the discounts from the from reselling the licenses, and the professional services that they will get from a contract in implementation phase, we offer free trainings. We offer a partner account in our partner portal where they can find materials, use cases, case studies, already pre-built solutions, video materials. We offer them training and assistance with a professional consultant during the first implementation. And also we will be supporting them all the time with a designated person to assist either from the financial and selling perspective, but also from the technical perspective.
Perfect. So we have Linda from Italy. So I think, Liv, this is your question. Is Druid a product or a client-oriented company?
That's a nice question. Druid is a client satisfaction-oriented company, definitely. Of course, that I and my team, we love to build that nice product, but the goal is not for it itself. It's for to make the clients happy. And we know very well that our clients are smarter than us, are more wise, more literate, and we listen to them in order to bring, let's say, satisfaction based on our features. I just give you an example about solution library. This is, in my opinion, the most valuable features which was launched in this release. This is because it's a capitalization of what we have done up to now for the clients. To have almost a pre-built chatbot standard free on your platform, it's a fantastic advantage because you learn immediately and you update immediately with what our platform can do. Because our platform has these two major parts, the technological part, which is agnostic, and all the features, all the business which we have learned from the client. So I always think that Druid is, and it's a customer satisfaction-oriented company.
Thank you, Livio. We have another question coming from Yusuf in Dubai. And Andrea, I think you can take this. What differentiates Druid from other platforms?
That's a tough one.
Sorry for this.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. So what we consider as our main differentiator is the fact that we are an AI platform, conversational AI platform oriented towards hyper-automation. So due to our partnership that we have with UiPath, we have evolved from a simple chatbot solution to a complex solution that will make the next steps towards Druid apps, which enable to offer a conversational experience for the customers in process automations without necessarily them having the back office systems to support this. And we've done these first steps, for instance, in the recruitment part, where we have built a recruitment application with an RPA automations in the back and the conversational user experience in front. Also, we have done this for customer onboarding, where we have end-to-end fully automated customer onboarding process integrated with RPA, with digital signature, document understanding, and OCR capabilities, without the company having to have a back office systems to support all these functionalities.
So, Livio, what is the expected net worth for this year? Valentin is asking.
Raluca, I'm asking you what.
And I'm asking you. So, what's my target?
So, according to Raluca target, we expect this year 4 times more than compared to last year. And I think we will be in the budget, and I'm happy due to the actual evolution of Druid. I'm extremely confident for this to reach this target.
Perfect. So it looks like a tough year this year.
Yeah, Raluca, we
don't
need
know
to
if
meet
it's
our targets.
For
Yeah.
the sales team, it will be tough.
No, it's not a tough. When you reach a target, it's a very nice year.
Exactly.
Actually, we have another question related to selling. So Dan from Sweden is asking, what is the main selling focus of Druid?
Raluca.
I should answer.
Yes.
I think our main focus for selling and the selling perspective would be for us to promote our product, to sell more licenses, because exactly how Livy was saying earlier, we are a company that is focusing on client satisfaction. So I think this is something that the sales team always has as a main focus.
Yes, selling license through our partners. This is what I would like to highlight to everybody. Our strategy is to sell through our partners. Of course, that in Europe, maybe we'll have also some direct sales, but the major strategy is to sell licenses through our partners.
So, Livy, when it comes to the product, what do you feel are the most valuable features that we have right now?
So the most valuable features, as I said, it's solution library. I love this product because I dream to it. It's exactly like a gift to the clients and to the partners, even more maybe to the partners, to have pre-built chatbots. And this is like a training, extremely useful, this will be like an app store which will be improved day by day with our chatbot, with a partner chatbot. So it will be a fantastic library and will be a fantastic differentiator between us and all the others platform with chatbot. So I'm extremely happy about regarding this feature.
So everything becomes much easier now.
Not only easy, but it's a fantastic. You create you give a fantastic chance to be much more creative with your platform. So it's a fantastic features.
Thank you, Livio. And now I think there's a more technical question, and this goes for you, Dan. It's from Jeffrey, UK. You talked earlier about analytics. What analytics are now available in the platform?
Yeah, actually it's one of the my preferred area in the platform. It is true that the current dashboards doesn't include charts and just provide figures, calculations. Charts will come until the end of the year. But which is very important are the logs, the data and the value that is already captured via the platform, and it's saved in the conversation history. And actually you have already this data on your current installations. So everything from the messages, from the statistics, times, special events during the conversations, you have all this data. And I see customers and partners already take this data and import in their business intelligence applications and analyze with Power BI or with Tableau. And with the new dashboards functionalities that will come in Q4 this year, you will find additional indicators, specific personas, role-specific dashboards, and out-of-the-box integration with Tableau and Power BI. So just to benefit more from the data you already have in the logs.
That's great. Thanks, Dan. Another question also for you, I think, from Diana in France. What other services will be available in the future?
Okay, like AI services, I assume.
I assume that.
Yes.
We love this idea and how the platform is built to be an artificial intelligence hub, and not to be stuck with just Druid technologies, but to be able to embed within Druid conversations any AI technology that you like. And we are looking to have predefined connectors with NLP providers. You already see in the platform embedding digital signature or OCR or video capturing. You see how all UiPath products are embedded. So it's an open-ended. I cannot tell you right now that this will be 5 or 3 new technologies. It's absolutely an open-ended, can be more, and we are working very close with technology partners to bring their own products within the Druid platform.
So thank you, Dan. So we have time for just one last question. So Andrea, this is to you. So Jacek came back with another question. Are all community versions automatically updated to the Oxygen version?
Yes, they have already been updated, and you can find all these releases under the former menus. So under the flows, you have a new icon indicating the graphical designer, similar for entities. You have in the help section all the training materials required for you to start playing with the new features. So enjoy your ride.
Thank you, and enjoy the next session.
Thank you.
Thank you to everyone. Thank you very much.
Bye.